Hello friends, my name is Sumam Kumar and today I am gonna talk about emails in computer network. So, email is a service that allows an internet user to send a message in a formatted manner to the other internet user in any part of the world. Message in mail not only contain text but it also contains image, audios and videos data. The person who is sending mail is called sender and the person who is receiving mail is called recipient. It is just like a postal service that is used in offlines in villages or everywhere. So the email or electronic mail, you can say, is a type of service or a system that is provided by many various companies like Google, Microsoft and many other, in which distribution of message by electronic from one user to the other user's recipients occurs via internet. For transferring an email from one user to another, first the message mail goes to the UA, that is UA, which provides service to make the process of sending and receiving the email easy on both ends. Then the message is composed and sent to message transfer agent, that is MTA. It follows some protocols for traveling from one service to other internet, which are SMTP, that is simple mail transferred protocol, and POP, that nowadays called as POP3, and the one other that is used is IMAP, Internet Messaging Access Protocol. We will go one by one. Here, first of all, what do you mean by UA? That is user agent. The UA is normally a program which is used to send and receive mail. Sometimes it is called as mail reader. It accepts variety of commands from composing, receiving and replying to message, as well as for manipulations of the mail boxes. And the another thing that is used is a MTA, as you can see. So MTA is actually responsible for transferring of mail from one system to another. To send a mail, a system must have client MTA and the system MTA. You can see this one is client MTA and this one is system MTA, that is server MTA. It transfers mail to mailboxes of recipient if they are connected in the same machine. It delivers mail to peer MTA if destination mailbox is in another machine. The delivery from one MTA to another MTA is done by simple mail transfer protocol, that is called as SMTP. This one SMTP. So SMTP is a push protocol and it is used to send the mail. As you know that SMTP is used as a message protocol agent. When the message is sent, the SMTP is used to deliver the message from the client to the server and then to the recipient server. But the message is sent from the recipient server to the actual server with the help of the message access point. The message access agent contains two types of protocol. One is POP, that nowadays called as POP3, and the another one is IMAP. So POP3, the POP3 is a simple protocol and having very limited functionality. In the case of POP3 protocol, the POP3 client is installed on the recipient system while the POP3 server is installed on the recipient mail server. As you can see, here is POP3 server and POP3 client. To establish the connections between the POP3 server and the POP3 client, the POP3 server asks for the first is username to the POP3 client. If the username is found in the POP server, then it sends the message OK. It then asks for the password for the POP3 client. Then the POP3 client sends the password to the POP server. If the password is matched, the POP server sends the OK message, and then connecting gets established. After the establishment of connections, the client can see the list of mails and the POP mail servers. In the list of mails, the user will get the email numbers and the size from the server. Out of this list, the user can start the retrieving of mail. Once the client retrieves all the email from the server, once the client receives all the emails from the server, all the emails from the servers are deleted. Here you can see that it retrieves all and it has been deleted. Once the client retrieves all the emails from the server, all the emails from the servers are deleted. Therefore, we can say that the emails are restricted to a particular machine, so it would not be possible to access the same mails on another machine. This situation can be overcome by configuring the email setting to leave a copy of mail on the mail server. The biggest problem with the offline access using POP3 is that the mails are permanently removed from the server. So multiple computers cannot access the mails. The solution to this problem is to store the mails at the remote servers rather than on the local server. So the POP3 also faces another issue, that is data security and safety. The solution to all of these problems, data security and safety and the permanently removed from the server, the solution of all of these is to use the disconnected access model, which provides the benefit of both online and offline access, that is IMAP. So the IMAP was designed for a specific purpose that provides, that I told earlier, that provides a more flexible way to how the user access the mailbox. It can operate in any of three modes, that is online, offline and disconnected mail. Out of these, offline and disconnected mode are of the interesting to most users of the protocol. So we will see how a mail is written. In the lower part that we called as body, we are writing the messages which we have to send, and in the header part we will write the from, to, date and subject about which we are writing the message, and date is in which date we are sending message. To is receiver's email, and from is sender's email. And in the upper part we will added an envelope, that is mail from this to sender mail and receiver's mail. I think you have understand clearly. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you everyone.